Hello everyone, I'm Robert Greenstein. Welcome back to the 1800Victim2 studio. So today I'd like to talk about what to do when you're involved in a motor vehicle accident. I'm specifically referring to what do you do at the scene of the accident. It could be very confusing at times, very hectic, and most people are luckily not experienced in being at a motor vehicle accident scene. So some very important things to do once you're involved in a motor vehicle accident. One, you want to obviously, make sure that your safety is protected. You don't want to be standing outside the car in a dangerous location so that you might put yourself at risk for another accident. There are times when the location of the vehicles are very important, and it's not a good idea to move the cars. However, there's also times when it's dangerous if you stand by your car, which could be in a very dangerous location. So while you may want to leave your car at the location of the accident, especially where point of impact may be an issue, in other words, did the person come in your lane and something like that, but that doesn't mean you need to stand right by your car. It could be very dangerous. You must call the police and wait for the police to get there. In New York City, it can be very frustrating. The police sometimes do take too long to arrive at a scene of an accident, but it's important that you call the police and you wait for the police to arrive, because the police report is very important. Not only will the police do an investigation at the scene, such as taking information from the other drivers, owners, and any witnesses, and recording all their license plate and driver's license information and vehicle information, and documenting the accident, because the police report is a great it documents that the accident actually happened, which unfortunately sometimes carriers will even question that an accident happened if there's no police report, which is just ridiculous. But wait for the police to arrive, make sure a police report is written. Also try to take pictures of the other vehicle. Quite often, let's assume the police never come, or maybe the police do arrive and they make a mistake in recording the license plate of the other car. So take a picture of the car, the other license plate of the other car. Take a picture of all the vehicles involved. Take a picture, if you exchange information with the other driver, take a picture of their driver's license, take a picture of the registration, take a picture of their insurance card. Photos are very, very important. Take a picture of the location of the accident. Anything that you think is going to help you prove that you didn't cause this accident, take a picture of that location. If there's any witnesses, very important to get their name and address, but most important, ask them to stick around and speak to the police. Unfortunately, if a witness's name is not listed on the police report, that witness's testimony will not carry as much weight. That shouldn't be the case, but unfortunately it is, because there's becomes the argument that the witness wasn't really at the scene and blah, blah, blah. So you want the witness's name to be on the police report. It definitely helps. But if a witness can't stick around, just get their name and address and telephone number, most important, because a witness's testimony is very, very important. So those are the basic information. Then, of course, then call the attorneys at 1-800-Victim2. That's 1-800-842-8462. Really should be the first call you make after an accident, because there may be strangers start calling you, insurance companies start calling you, and you got to be very, very careful after an accident. So call the attorneys at 1-800-Victim2. Don't be a victim twice. Call 1-800-842-8462. Thank you.